Did you know that covering your intimate areas improperly can negatively impact your intimate health? We, humans, are the only species that use specific clothing to cover this region, and this can lead to some complications. First, it's important to understand the following. To maintain good sexual health and performance, it is necessary to have control over the temperature and ventilation of the genital area. The underwear, by covering and protecting, directly interferes with these factors. The more ventilation, the fewer fungi and microorganisms can proliferate. Fungi, for example, tend to develop in dark environments with low oxygen and high humidity. When you choose underwear that is too tight against your body, keeping the area moist and without ventilation, you create an ideal environment for fungal proliferation. This is one of the reasons why many men need to seek medical help to treat genital health problems. On the other hand, when the genital area is kept illuminated with good ventilation and controlled humidity, fungi cannot survive. This shows the importance of choosing underwear that allows air circulation and moisture reduction, which can prevent infections. If the underwear keeps the testicles too close to the body, it can increase the temperature in the area. Naturally, the testicles move away from the body to cool the sperm, or rather, the spermatozoa produced inside them. However, when the underwear is too tight and keeps the testicles close to the body for long periods, it interferes with testicular temperature, directly impacting sperm quality. This increase in temperature can affect reproductive health since tissues exposed to high temperatures can reduce the quantity and quality of sperm. Additionally, the production of testosterone may also be impaired by constant temperature increase. Therefore, always prefer underwear made from materials like cotton, which help regulate temperature and provide better ventilation. Models that allow air circulation are essential to preserve genital health. Furthermore, if you find yourself in an environment where natural light falls on the testicles, this exposure to sunlight can be beneficial. Sunlight can help keep the area illuminated and ventilated, which is healthy for reducing moisture and inhibiting microorganism proliferation. It may be useful to notice if areas like the bedroom, bathroom, or even the kitchen have good air circulation and sunlight exposure, which creates a healthier environment for the genital area.